When it comes to achieving glowing and radiant skin, your skincare routine isn't the only factor to consider. Your diet plays a crucial role in nourishing your skin from within. One fruit that stands out in promoting healthy and glowing skin is the apricot. With its vibrant orange color and sweet flavor, apricots offer more than just a delightful taste. Packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, apricots can be a game-changer for your skin. Let's delve into the beauty benefits of apricots and why you should consider incorporating them into your diet. Apricots have a high water content, making them an excellent fruit for hydrating your skin from the inside out. Proper hydration is essential for maintaining supple and plump skin, and apricots can contribute to your daily fluid intake. Additionally, the natural sugars in apricots provide a source of energy for your skin cells, keeping them nourished and vibrant. The abundance of vitamin C in apricots is beneficial for maintaining skin elasticity. Collagen, a protein responsible for skin firmness, relies on vitamin C for synthesis. By consuming apricots regularly, you provide your skin with the necessary nutrients to produce collagen, resulting in a more youthful and resilient complexion. Apricots possess antibacterial properties, making them a natural remedy for acne-prone skin. The vitamin A content in apricots helps regulate oil production, preventing clogged pores and reducing the occurrence of breakouts. Additionally, the antioxidants in apricots combat inflammation, minimizing redness and swelling associated with acne. While apricots cannot replace sunscreen, their high concentration of antioxidants can provide an extra layer of protection against the harmful effects of the sun's UV rays. The antioxidants in apricots neutralize free radicals induced by sun exposure, minimizing the damage caused by oxidative stress. However, it is still crucial to apply sunscreen daily for comprehensive sun protection. Apricots can contribute to a natural and healthy skin glow. Their nutritional profile supports overall skin health, resulting in a brighter and more radiant complexion. The vitamins and minerals in apricots work synergistically to improve skin tone and texture, giving you that coveted lit-from-within glow. To reap the skin benefits of apricots, it's important to include them in your daily diet. Remember, for optimal skin health, it's essential to maintain a balanced diet, drink plenty of water, get enough sleep, and follow a regular skincare routine. By adding apricots to your diet, you're not only treating your taste buds but also nourishing your skin for a radiant and healthy glow.